Hi and welcome to another episode of How to Peplink. This time Peplink's InTouch Explained. My name is Jerry and I'm going to tell you all about how to get InTouch with your devices. InTouch is an easy way to reach any device that you need to view, configure or troubleshoot remotely. InTouch eliminates the need for engineers, VPNs, servers or extra software typically needed to manage your devices, without compromising your network security. InTouch never requires public IPs, inbound access through firewalls or any other security compromises. InTouch is based on the need to simplify your network setup. You can use it without building separate networks or adding circuits dedicated to out-of-band management. InTouch integrates everything into one platform for seamless connectivity. Use just one login to gain access to all remote devices behind your router. IP devices, remote desktop, remote protocols for servers and many more. To enable InTouch, you will need a device with an active InControl 2 license and SpeedFusion Connect Protect plan. Using the IP-based InTouch will require data usage, which will be deducted from this device SpeedFusion Connect Protect data quota. What devices can you use for InTouch? Peplink's InTouch is especially interested for industries that are reliant on a lot of different devices for their business activities. But there is no limitation on what devices you can use for InTouch. For example, meter sensors, alarms, cameras, POS terminals, location systems and even your Wi-Fi devices and switches. Everything is manageable from one portal, making your network easier to manage. So, how to configure InTouch? It's easy to set up and it's easy to use InTouch. I will show you the steps to activate it and how you set up your profile correctly. So, step 1. Go to the InControl website, incontrol2.peplink.com. Step 2. Sign in with your Peplink ID. Step 3. Go to the device level page you can use in InTouch from firmware 8.2.0 and upwards. Step 4. Go to Settings and choose InTouch. Step 5. Click Add to add a new setup. Step 6. Fill in the device name, URL or LAN address of your dedicated device. You may also use a group name as a tag for better management. Step 7. Click on OK and save changes. And then click the play button under Action to run the InTouch setup. Now InTouch is trying to connect to the device via the network. And there it is. InTouch is correct setup. You will be dedicated to the LAN's device page. Now you can remotely manage, configure and monitor any device that is connected to your enterprise network. So InTouch could also be used as a tool to access other Peplink devices, like this SD-WAN dome, because this doesn't have a WAN port. So if there is anything wrong with the cellular WAN, we need to access that remotely. So I will show you how that works via InControl and InTouch. So this works also with IP phones or any other IT device with a web interface. In the SD-WAN dome case, we have an issue with the cellular WAN. And because we have this SDX Pro in InControl, we have the option to enable the LAN port back from a WAN port in the web interface and add the SD-WAN dome to the InTouch device list. Using InControl with InTouch gives you even more power over your network and allows you to make better decisions managing the enterprise network, simplifying network device management without compromising your security and letting you focus on how to use your network to achieve business goals, without having to worry about many different management portals. A new InControl user type, InControl users, can only use InTouch, so they can't change any of the Peplink settings, but they can access devices on the LAN, providing they know the username and password. So if a user leaves, simply remove their InControl access, and then they can no longer access any of the InTouch devices. No need to change the username and password on several devices. Now that we have explained what Peplink's InTouch is all about, we hope you understand this amazing software tool better. Should you need more information, please check the link in the description. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.